finished with our shopping. However, we have left the downtown Kingston area. No more downtown. What do you have to say, Mandel? Tell us what you got to say now.
I'm glad I left.
Yeah, he was eager. He was eager to go. But we left, you know. I did not spend a lot of time like how he was saying that I was gonna be spending. I didn't.
Oh, what heap of time we spend down there?
No, we didn't. We clocked into our car park at 10:03 and we left 11:23. You hear that? How is it a long time?
Oh, what heap of walking up and down and...
Let us make people see your face.
What heap of walking up and down and rub up on people. That was my verdict.
We never spent a lot of time.
You can't
See,
tell
if
me,
it was me
you
alone.
can't tell me so when I rub up all the pound for people.
You see, if it was me alone, people, I'm still there at town.
Again.
Still at town because I say, yeah, I need to go to the song. Yeah, I need to go to the
Whenever I rub up on what heap of people.
Man, about you. But I hardly touch anybody. Matter of fact,
What heap of people touch you?
hardly touch me.
Me there behind you, I walk and look and when people bounce for you.
Not a lot.
That
It's
are
not
too
a lot.
much people are bounce from people.
As I was saying, people,
What the hell is this?
there's a bus in front of us that is totally taking, like a smoke screen. Totally a smoke screen going on right here. But guys, what I'm trying to say is that I never spend a lot of time at home. But literally 1 hour and 20 minutes.
23 minutes too much.
As I was saying, Manuel is just over dramatic, and we have left town,
Thankfully.
and we have left town, went to our meat shop, had a big up our meat shop, and then we're leaving our meat shop. We're heading almost home. We have a specific brand of franks that we eat. Old McDonald's, we like the flavor, and our meat shop does not sell that one, so we're gonna have to go somewhere else that sells it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and if you're saying franks are franks, true.
Oh.
However, Old McDonald's tastes the best to us. We love it. It has a nice aftertaste. After you finish eating it, you feel like you need to go back and eat more. It's kind of addictive taste that it goes for us.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we are totally for that. So if one thing I hate is the wiper people
Nah.
the wiper people in half a tree. They don't ask you first, they just start splatting stuff on your car. Anyways, as I was finishing up. We're finishing up our verdict. We got all the stuff. Yeah, we got all the stuff. Especially me. But I had a list. I don't think I can really show you my list. But I got a list. You're not really seeing it. It's not really long because the page is short. But I had a list, and basically the only thing I did not get on my list so far is Aki. I remember one time we driving past people with Aki like crazy. I know there's no Aki.
Actually, I think it's just not downtown because while we're at Crossroad we are coming up.
There's my fingernails. Yeah, extension of your finger. Yeah, so it's a little weird, you know. There's no Aki, but we got some other stuff. We got the veggies. We got some veggie chunks, you know. We're gonna mix and style. Probably brown stew. Yeah, more than that, we're gonna brown stew. I might put it in some pasta. I might curry them. Some curry chunks is not bad. I also might fry them. Fried chunks taste good to me. I'm not sure about Mandel, but barbecue fried chunks also taste amazing, especially if I'm the one that's doing it. Tastes good. So yeah, or even make lo mein with them.
Chunks must stew.
We have a lot of spaghetti in our fridge, so we can totally boil them over or boil them and incorporate them with some chunks. Yeah. What you were saying?
Chops.
Oh, chunks.
Chunks must stew.
Chunks must be whatever you want it to be. Don't listen to him. Chunks is not just for stewing. turn it into. You can turn it into nuggets. You can turn it into.
Turn it into nuggets.
Yeah. I'll tell you how I turn it into nuggets, people. Or rather, I'll turn it into burger. I boil them, of course. Squeeze out all of the water out of them. Blend them up with some seasoning. And then I use breadcrumbs and of course flour to hold them together. I don't think at the time I had eggs. I don't think I had eggs at the time. Hold them together and I press them and then fry them. Use the breadcrumbs and flour to keep them together. And then fry them. Turn them into burgers.
Mm-hmm.
And if you make them tiny enough, you can turn them into nuggets. That's how I turn it into nuggets.
You just do them, man.
He's not creative enough. You know, he's not seeing the vision that I'm trying to create.
We
Here.
just stew them.
He's just all about stewing the damn chunks.
Stew the chunks.
We're not about this lifestyle. We want creativity in the kitchen. You know, we want to eat food that's tasty. He's just all about stewing the chunks. I don't know. If it was goat, he's all about currying the goat.
Currying the goat.
He's not about stew goat.
No.
Not about that life.
That's the same.
He's all about curry. He'll curry everything.
Curry the
I'm surprised he's not Indian. And I'm sorry if that sounded like a stereotype. I wasn't really doing that.
Shout out to all of my Indian people then. Yeah. My family.
So guys, whew, actually starting to feel the heat. From all that walking up and down in the sun, my head starts to hurt me. What kind of side eye is that? Alright guys, so see you tomorrow? Where are we going tomorrow?
They must do it tomorrow.
I'm not sure about tomorrow, but see you on Monday.
They must do it tomorrow.
Where are we going?
They must do it tomorrow.
Oh.
That's my point.
Guys, see you on another episode of